Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and I'm here at 84th and I-25 at our flagship location and our warehouse. You'll notice I'm wearing a blue shirt and I have a name tag on. I'm not doing any cooking events right now. Due to the COVID-19 crisis, I'm in the store and I'm helping with sales. This is an opportunity for me to learn more about the company and help our customers. It's trying times, and according to the health department guidelines, our customers who are making appointments are coming in, and when I'm working with them, I'm learning what their questions are. So that's why I wanted to do this video, to tell you the top 5 questions that I'm getting from people that I'm working with. And number 1, do we have any freezers? You'll see that our freezer section, normally it's full, and it's completely wiped out. That's because people are going to the grocery store and buying a lot of groceries, and they're bringing them home, and their freezers are seeing a lot of action. If you're opening and closing those chest freezers, it puts a lot of stress on those motors, particularly if it's older, and they're breaking down as well. So a lot of people are looking to replace those. So we do have freezers coming. We have truckloads coming, but they sell out almost instantly. So I have a solution for you. If you need a freezer, come check out one of our scratch and dent refrigerators. Check this out. They start at $400. And you know that they have plenty of room, not only in the refrigerator cavity, but also in the freezer as well. This particular one, the freezer, it's almost 5 cubic feet. It's quite a bit of space. If you pull this drawer out, this shelf out, look how much you can get in there. Quite a bit. I mean, I certainly could see getting frozen pizzas and chicken and meat, and if you have some elk from last year's hunt, it's going to fit in there. You have quite a bit of space in the door as well. What I'm recommending people do is move the non-perishable items or things that you don't use very often. Put your condiments in here, your jar of mayo, your beverages. Get it out of your refrigerator. Clean your freezer, and you're going to have a little bit more space. But one of these, it's a great price. It's got a couple scratch and dings on it. Here's one. You can barely see it. You're going to save hundreds of dollars, and you're going to increase your capacity. Also, I feel that you have a little bit more flexibility with this. And when this crisis is over, you can unplug it. And if you have a holiday coming up, let's say Thanksgiving's rolling around, you need refrigerator space, you now have this in your house ready to go. Question number 2, why are my appliances suddenly having problems? And that's because we're using them quite a bit more. I know a lot of my friends and family, they're home every day of the week, and they're making every single meal at home, whereas they might eat out or take lunch with them to work. So all of a sudden we've seen a tremendous increase on the demand that our appliances are taking. So stoves are being used, ovens, and we're seeing those break down because if maybe it's a little bit older, all of a sudden that's kind of the nail in the coffin. Refrigerators, doors are getting open and closed. Every time you open and close the refrigerator, it could kick the compressor on, shortening the life of the refrigerator. Even laundry, we're seeing quite a bit of people coming in saying, my laundry broke down and I need it. So the good news is Appliance Factory, we have hundreds of these items in stock at every price point. So I'm sorry that you're having a sudden appliance death. I know the timing isn't great, but that would be the reason why. Another question I'm getting, when can I get my appliance? It's pretty simple. You can get it the same day. There's a couple little caveats there. You have to make the order before noon, and it's extra $150 delivery. However, I've had some customers take advantage of that because they just need it and they don't want to leave the house for safety reasons. We have that available. We do have free delivery. It's usually 2 days. And the last 2 questions I've been getting, should I have my appliance installed? Yes, have your appliance professionally installed. It protects the manufacturer's warranty and make sure that it is installed properly. I've installed hundreds of appliances, maybe not hundreds, a couple dozen dishwashers myself, but it's a lot of work. It takes quite a bit of time, and I don't know if I'm doing a great job. I'm pretty handy, but I don't do it every day. So let's leave it to the professionals. Protect that manufacturer warranty. And speaking of warranty, the last question I get, should I get an extended warranty? It's peace of mind. When you get an extended warranty through Appliance Factory, you're going to have our in-house technicians taking care of the problem. If you buy a new dishwasher or any appliance, let's just say dishwasher, and you have problems with it, which happens, the manufacturer's not proud of that, but it does happen, let's just face it, they're going to send out one of their technicians and fix it to the best of their ability. And you're kind of stuck with their solution, whereas if we have a Appliance Factory warranty, extended warranty, we're going to make sure that it works up to your standards. So I definitely think an extended warranty is worth it. Quite frankly, personally, I wouldn't buy a refrigerator or stove without one. They're pretty technical. Dishwasher, yeah, absolutely. Microwaves, you know, they're inexpensive enough that sometimes if you're trying to save a few bucks on a warranty, maybe you could skip that. But I recommend it because you're getting factory-trained professionals directly from Appliance Factory, which I think is really invaluable. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you need appliances, call your local Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. We have sales professionals on the phone that will help you. Thanks for tuning in.